Hello. Hello. Perfect fit piece of aluminum I got. Perfect fit. 1/8 of an inch thick. A cover for this unit here. RBC. I'll show you my secret, okay? I'll stick it there for now. Perfect fit. You can buy aluminium on Amazon, and I'll show you my device I use for cutting. Aluminum with brass, up to about 1/4 of an inch. Making stuff, you know. We walk this way.
Yeah, I walk this way, Doctor.
Okay, so brass and aluminium, non-ferrous metal. For ferrous, I would use a grinding stone, but anyway, here we have it. So I just got this guy in. Sheet of aluminum covered with this material. It's kind of cool. So here's my cutting unit. Right, EVL? EVL is joining in. Hi. You know, I get that in your paws, right? Good boy. Okay, so, whoa. That was interesting. You see that dimming of light? Something going on. So, this is an antique table saw. Little tiny guy. I built the frame underneath with a motor. There we go. Scrap stuff. Got a cutting blade in there for metal. 2 other cutting blades. I use this quite a bit for cutting things. Metal, I have this on here as a guide rail. I'll take it off. Don't need that. That's to keep this from moving anyway. It doesn't move really. But this works good. I got it at a scrapyard. Hand polished it with sandpaper to clean it off the rust. It's sitting there forever. Built the frame underneath. Heavy little guy. Move around. Who made this guy anyway? Let's take a look at it. I got the vacuum cleaner. So this way, put it on wheels, and put it under the lathe. I think it's got a name on it. Shall we take a look? EVL? Okay. Let's see here. We got, oh no, we don't have a light. Okay. This cord out of the way. Heavy cast, actually, so I liked heavy cast. Not aluminium, but heavy cast. I thought there was a maker's name on here. Let's see. I think this thing here comes out and you put a vacuum cleaner on it. Right, EVO? Oh, you're licking my ears. That's for tightness. That's for up and down to the blade. This motor is separate. Yeah, it really cuts well. Oh, no name? I thought there was a name on it. Very heavy cast, which I like for this kind of thing. It's got guides here if you want to use a guide system. Very heavy cast. Oh, who made it? I put this flexible rubber piece underneath it. Cut down on vibration. Oh, I don't know. made it. It was sitting in the scrapyard on a shelf. who's looking. I know, Evie, I gotta vacuum all this up. So, this is pretty sturdy. As it should be. Clamps here. And what else? Badass bones. I would say it's probably from the 40s. It would have an extension table on it too, I think. Let's take a look. No, there's one there. Screws there, okay. Screw holes there. I didn't find the extension parts, but this is okay for me. Doing small sheets of aluminum. I said before, unlock, like so. And this brings the blade up. So as you can see, what's that here? Huh? No. No name tag, but it's a solid chunk of cast iron. No plastic hand wheels on it. And it works fine for small stuff. I'm thinking for big stuff, yeah, I could adapt something, no problem. I'm out of these kind of clamps and a plate of steel. Clamp down. You can cut anything really with it. Yeah, I have a lot of cutting devices for metal in here, like power band saws and these kind of hacksaws, power hacksaws. So because I'm always working with metal mostly. For wood, this is okay. Although you have a skill saw for big sheets of wood, I take outside and cut it, everything accurate. So. What else am I thinking about? Put this over here. Yeah, so it works good. Don't turn down an old rusty pile of junk somewhere. Just takes hand cleaning with sandpaper and a wire brush, and off to the races you go. Especially something old like this is solid, heavy, and very accurate, by the way. Yeah. Very accurate, I say. You can put if you want, you can put a cut-off wheel in there too for steel. Get a lot of sparks and that kind of thing, but that's okay. It's not recommended using a skill saw. They don't recommend using skill saws for cutting metal with it. So, but this is perfect. Or flat, long things, big, long things don't fit in hacksaws and power hacksaws. So, anyway, I should get vacuum cleaner and clean up this mess now. This being that small is very heavy. I mean, it's like, say about 3/8 of an inch solid casting everywhere. Somebody had it a long time ago, I guess, huh? But anyway, it's on a steel mount here, caster mount. Rolls around nice, fits under the lathe. We fit under other things too. You even fit in this hole. Oh, that's an idea, isn't it? Would it? Oh, no, it's too long. No, it is a bit. I don't use it that much. Mostly I use the power hacksaws to cut steel bars and brass bars and other things. So, a nice feature. It's got a lock here to lock this solid when you adjust the height of it. And luckily, the inner parts were greased up so they didn't rust at all sitting in the scrapyard. I do a lot of things from the scrapyard. But anyway, let's shut up and finish off what I was doing. It's good to have something like that. That's black foam stuff from Mr. Alec in Greece when he shipped me stuff. I saved all the different pieces and parts of the shipment stuff of black foam. It came really in handy for doing things. Okay, so I guess we get the vacuum cleaner. Yes, I wear safety glasses. Where'd I put them? Oh, I put them back on the bench over there. I got to do it very slow and easy, and I got a nice cut. And we'll just adjust this way a little bit more. It's all crooked. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna go. Nice show with Carrie and Matthew yesterday. That was fun. I keep busy every day building stuff, repairing things, modifying things, creating stuff, doing like experimental stuff. Let's get all the pieces on. I don't want Evio walking on that stuff, so. Okay, get the vacuum. I got this from the scrapyard too. One of those cheap drill presses, kind of, well, sort of. Had a broken part, so I made a new part. Here, see this clamp? Angle bracket of steel. It's really solid, yeah. What else crazy shit of stuff I've done? High-powered grinding machine. Flat belt grinding machines with brass oilers. Anyway, shut up and get going here. I call this a miniature machine shop. Several small lathes. A micro milling machine up there. What else? Die grinder. Mounted on a microscope mount. Works great. Okay, let's shut up and get going. I said, okay, let's go.